Beginning of school is always a stressful period for children, and it's very much important that the first years in school will become the transition period from the early childhood into the world of school life. MultiMind is the product for the primary school students, children from 5 to 9 years old. It covers 5 main areas of the curriculum: math, language, social studies, science and arts. It has the whole kit of teaching aids and didactic materials, which together with the specially designed software and special activity table create an engaging learning environment for primary school students. MultiMind has 10 topics: our community, which is a topic about who I am in the world; Travel Quest, the topic which is covering geography side of the curriculum; Wordwise is a topic about the language; Mighty Math, MultiMind and Geometrical Fractions are 3 topics which cover math curriculum of the primary school. Living Creatures is a topic about animals, human beings. Earth and Beyond is a topic about our planet, about the solar system and our place in the solar system. Science Mysteries is a topic which introduces science concept in a very fun and easy way. Creative Arts is a very creative topic which has 2 main components: dancing and creating of music. Just for Us is another feature of the system, which is authoring tool, which allows teachers to create as many activities as they want inside the system. Learning management system also allows you to create tailored activities according to the needs of the students, as well as to use LMS as an assessment tool for the teachers. And now I would like to show you the components of MultiMind. MultiMind has a special activity table, which has 2 mice, therefore a group of kids can work at this table. It has already a standard keyboard, because at this stage it's important to introduce computer literacy skills for children. There are different types of plastic mats, which are put on the table, and again mats will be linked to the topic and to the activity. There are different types of wooden blocks. Blocks for tangrams, geometrical shapes, special blocks in order to create patterns, counting rod and also 100 boards. MultiMind has the whole kit of didactic materials in terms of the cards, with different pictures which will be used from topic to topic, from activity to activity. And definitely specially designed software which is covering main areas of the curriculum of primary school. There are lots of activities in MultiMind which are built on QR codes, which basically recognizes the answers of children, and these activities allow to involve large groups of students in a really fun learning process. I would like to show you several activities in MultiMind, and I will go to Travel Quest. As you can see, children already navigate the system using a usual mouse. Travel Quest is the topic about geography. We're introducing continents, oceans, different countries. We're showing children that there are different nations and people are different, but we are part of the whole world of the universe. As you can see in the topic geography, there are 4 subtopics, and also I will select subtopic all around the world. And I would like to show you how I can engage groups of students in order to work with the system. As you can see on the screen, I can select the number of players, but I can also split my children into groups, so all the class will be engaged in this activity. For this activity, I need a special mat, here it is, which I place on the activity table. I select the number of players or the number of groups of children.
What does the word raising mean?
There are different types of questions in the system. In the authoring tool, I can completely change the questions and link them to my particular topic or to my curriculum. So for example, children, they start playing in turns. The first group hears the question and they need to discuss between themselves what is the right answer. They select the answer. If they answer correctly, they will see the dice on the screen. They need to roll the dice. And they have the same soldiers which they start moving along the path. So basically, the group of key children which answered all questions properly will finish the path the first, and those are the winners. Another activity which I would like to show you is activity from math topic. I'll go to Mighty Math. There are 3 different levels. Those are the levels of complexity. And I'm, as a teacher, depending on which grade I'm working, will decide which activity to choose and from which topic. In level 2, I see different folders. and those folders are devoted to the particular topic of math. I'll select problem-solving activity.
Now you know how to add and subtract.
I would like to go to the screen for the teacher. I can see here all the interactions which are included into the problem-solving subtopic. I will select one of the activities. There is a problem-solving task. The way children will work with the system. The group of children will do this activity at the software, while the other children will do this activity and they are blackline masters. So basically what we need to do, first of all, we need to read carefully what is written here. And also we can hear the audio instruction. There are different types of learners. And some children, in order to solve this activity, need to touch and feel real objects in order to understand what basically 28 means. And for this, we have our boards and we have our counters. So I would ask them to take 2 sticks, which basically one stick represents 10. They can select it also on the screen. What 8 means? 8 means 8 small cubes. And we have also small cubes here. So after we will represent this problem-solving task on the screen, it will be easier for children to find the correct answer. When they calculate it properly, they need to type the answer in a special window. They use, as I told you, the standard keyboard. So after I know the answer in my problem-solving task, I need to type the answer in a special window. And I press 5 and I hope that I'm correct. I press OK in order to check if I'm right or not. It looks like I'm right, and we're moving forward to the next problem-solving activity. In each topic there are lots of creative activities, because creative thinking is part of 21st century skills. But I would like to show you one topic which is specifically devoted to developing creative thinking of children. It's topic creative arts. In creative arts we have 2 subtopics: music and creative dance. Sometimes I, as a teacher, want to make a break between my lessons and engage children in some gross motor activity. So I would select creative dance topic. In this topic I can create my own dances and I can repeat the movements together with my children. It's very fun and very engaging.
Have fun creating a dance.
We have our characters, Lexi, Lunar, and we can create some dancing activity with them together. Assume that Lexi is for the girls and Luna for the boys, so meaning boys need to repeat the movements of Luna. I can select different types of moves. I can select some music if I want. So in creative dance activity, children can create different dances and then use them for different events, or just to make a break between the lessons. MultiMind is very rich in terms of content, and I cannot show you all the activities, but I can tell you only one thing. MultiMind turns usual classroom into a fun and engaging environment.